Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp unavailable to open or WhatsApp screen stuck problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap on WhatsApp application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search WhatsApp application. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. You make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your WhatsApp application. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp unavailable to open or WhatsApp stuck problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.